Welcome back to my channel, guys. So recently I've been reading online that after an update, S23 Ultra battery has gone worse than before. So people used to get good battery life before June update, but now it has gone down. So my experience has been completely different. So I'm going to show you my phone. As you can see, my phone is on June update security patch level 1st June 2023, so it's already updated. Also, just today I took a screenshot of my battery usage, so you can see 9.5 hours screen on time and nearly 18 hours screen off time. So over 1 day and 3 hours on a single charge, and still I had 16% battery left. So if you are facing issues with your battery after an update, or in general if you are facing issues with your phone, then you need to take these steps. So first of all, you will need Type-C to Type-C cable, any other device such as laptop, your tablet, or even the spare phone. To show you this, I'm going to use this old Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. So this is what you need to do. Take the cable, plug one end of the cable to your phone like this, and the other end to the other device. Once everything is connected, restart your phone like this and like this. And when you see the blank screen, you need to press power and volume up button together like this. And when you see this menu, you can let go of those buttons. From here, you can press volume down key and you can go on wipe cache partition. So what this will do is you will delete all the temporary files on your phone, or any other files that is causing the issue on your phone. You will delete these files. This will not delete any of your important data on your phone, so you don't need to worry about that. So when you are on the wipe cache partition option, press the power button and it will ask you if you want to go ahead. Just do yes, and here you will see wiping cache and wiping cache complete. So once that is completed, you can just go ahead and reboot your phone. Now you can remove your cable from here. You don't need this device or cable. Actually, this step is recommended after every software update, and this should fix the issue with the battery drain or any other issue with your phone. I hope this helps, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment below.